Welcome back. Well, it's going to be a little bit of a busy pattern over the next 24 hours as a frontal boundary will wag across the area. It's already moved to the south. Temperatures topped out at 80 degrees this afternoon. Now we're dropping into the 60s, and we'll be back pushing 80 again by Saturday. And in between, even tomorrow, we'll be back into the mid to upper 70s as a system pushes on through. Severe weather threat of heavy rains mainly north of the area, though. Let's take a look at the big picture as we have this upper level disturbance that is energizing the subtropical jet stream. As we told you yesterday, that's easing more over Texas and Louisiana. We've been seeing that, and that's been engendering showers and thunderstorms across the region. Farther north and east, it's winter weather. And then another low pressure system back here is also going to be producing snow, and we have winter storm warnings, and they're going to continue in the days ahead with winter storm watches posted over toward the Chicago area and weather advisories as well. So active winter weather to the north, and we get a taste of that chilly air for about 36 hours this week before another warm-up Saturday, and then we have another round of strong to severe storms possibly as we go into Saturday night. You can see the rain across the area, and as we take a look, drill into the regional Doppler radars, you can see most of the action now central Louisiana on northeastward into Mississippi, and activity, as we told you a little bit earlier, we thought this activity would kind of wind down. Shower activity, some scattered smaller showers now as we dial into Power Doppler 3, still moving across Lafayette Parish, so a few more hit and miss showers, and we see that continuing. Now, as we mentioned earlier, flash flood watch is in effect for Evangeline Parish on northward, including Avoyelles, Rapides, and Allen parishes and parishes to the north and west. This is where the heavier rains are going to be. And then on top of that, the Storm Prediction Centers has us hatched in for a slight risk of severe storms, now edging most of Acadiana, and we'll be concerned with maybe a few storms that could contain damaging winds and/or an isolated tornado. A level 2 out of 5, so not too high, but nonetheless, it's going to be a day that we don't need to follow the radar. So this is the way the HRRR model's playing it out. That frontal boundary gets down to the coast through later tonight, but then low pressure begins to develop in Texas, and that moves the warm front to the north. Showers and storms, some heavy ones, go towards southwest Louisiana, but then they kind of get away from the storm dynamics a little bit. But nonetheless, we could see an isolated supercell thunderstorm that could produce damaging winds or maybe some rotation as we get into mainly the afternoon hours. It looks like as this front begins to work and we see this warm air in the mid to upper 70s get worked over by this cold front and the upper level disturbance that's pushing on through. Notice this is snow up toward Oklahoma City and maybe Tulsa. We're not going to see any of that, and we'll see those showers and storms pushing on through late afternoon, early evening hours. I think that's going to be our severe weather window, but we'll have to keep an eye on activity in the morning hours across southwest Louisiana as well. By late tomorrow night, things will be winding down. Thereafter, breezy and much cooler weather moving in. As for rainfall, most of us pick up about 1 inch to 2 inches of rain, but you can see the heavier rainfall totals, 2, 3, 4 inches of rain, certainly a possibility north and west of most of Acadiana proper, but we'll watch those rain trends and those thunderstorms where they tend to propagate. So temperatures are difficult forecast. To the south down to the coast near 70, farther to the north upper 50s to lower 60s. Then we warm up to near 80 degrees again tomorrow in spite of mostly cloudy skies. It's going to be breezy as well. And then tomorrow night dropping down into the 40s and 50s and staying in the 50s with strong and gusty northerly winds to follow as we head into our Thursday. So overnight tonight, 63 your low, mild with scattered showers, more developing I think after midnight tonight, so we'll keep that rain chance up there at about 70%. Then for tomorrow, showers developing, and later in the day, storms likely mainly PM hours. We'll say late afternoon, early evening hours for our highest rain chances. Gusty southwesterly winds up to 30 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon, so keep that in mind. Batten down the hatches. Breezy and cooler with gusts to 30 on Thursday from the north, and we have a bit of winter for about 36 hours. Then it warms back up to 80 on Saturday. Look out for Saturday. Could see more strong, maybe severe storms once again, especially Saturday evening. We'll talk more about that tonight at 10. Till then, we'll have more later on.